Hello! Today we will learn about present tense and past tense. If the word ends with a consonant, add ed. Ask, asked. Help, helped. Jump, jumped. Wash, washed. Work, worked. Cook, cooked. Open, opened. Paint, painted. Start, started. If the word ends with an E, just add D. Use, used. Like, liked. Save, saved. Hope, hoped. Bake, baked. Smile, smiled. Dance, danced. Change, changed. Invite, invited. If the word ends with a Y preceded by a consonant, replace Y with an I and add ed. Cry, cried. Dry, dried. Try, tried. Fry, fried. Copy, copied. Carry, carried. Study, studied. Reply, replied. Hurry, hurried. If the word ends with a consonant preceded by a vowel, double the consonant and add ed. Hop, hopped. Jog, jogged. Nod, nodded. Drop, dropped. Stop, stopped. Plan, planned. Clap, clapped. Chop, chopped. Spot, spotted. Sometimes the last consonant is replaced by a T. These are T variants. Bend, bent. Lend, lent. Feel, felt. Keep, kept. Weep, wept. Send, sent. Spend, spent. Sleep, slept. Build, built. Some verbs do not follow any rules while making past tense. These are called irregular verbs. Do, did. Go, went. Buy, bought. Run, ran. Win, won. Fly, flew. Know, knew. Drink, drank. Teach, taught. Some verbs remain the same in both present and past tense. Hit, hit. Cut, cut. Put, put. Fit, fit. Let, let. Beat, beat. Hurt, hurt. Cost, cost. Quit, quit. I hope you understand some rules of tenses now. Thank you. Have a nice day.